Hello sellers, in this video we will show you how to connect your Temu shop with Amazon MCF in just a few simple steps using MapMyChannel. So let's get started. First, sign up on the portal. Go to MapMyChannel.com and fill out the sign up form with all the details. Sign in the application. Now use the credentials to sign in to the MapMyChannel application. Connect your sales channel. Click on the Temu to connect. Then you will be redirected to your Temu seller account to grant permissions for our app. Now authorize by allowing all the general permissions and sensitive permissions by clicking on all the checkboxes. Next, click on the submit button. Finally, click on the OK button to complete the authorization process. Now, we'll connect fulfillment channel partner. Select Amazon MCF as your fulfillment partner to connect Temu shop with Amazon MCF. Fill in the form. After selecting Amazon MCF, you will have to provide your account name and location. Fill in the details and click on Next. Now, you will be automatically redirected to the Amazon Seller Central portal. Click on Continue after filling in the registered email or phone number. After this, manage the synchronization. Now sync orders, inventory, and tracking on both Temu shop and Amazon MCF as per your requirements. And in the end, congratulations, your Temu shop is now integrated with Amazon MCF.